Hello guys, this is me Vijay Shan presenting you the most important MCQs for the upcoming JKSSB exam. Today's topic is important rivers and lakes in India. So let's start. Question number 1 is the largest irrigation canal in India is option A Satluj Canal, option B Chambal Canal, option C Ranveer Canal, option D Indira Gandhi Canal. Friends, the correct answer is option D Indira Gandhi Canal. Indira Gandhi Canal is the largest irrigation canal in India. Question number 2. The longest river of peninsular India is option A Narmada, option B Brahmaputra, option C Godavari, option D Krishna. Friends, the correct answer for this is option C Godavari. Godavari is the longest peninsular river. Question number 3. Which of the following rivers does not originate in Indian territory? Option A Ravi, option B Chenab, option C Narmada, option D Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra of course originates from Mansarovar, which is in Tibet, China. So the correct answer is option D, river Brahmaputra. River Brahmaputra does not originate from an Indian territory. Question number 4. The Siachen Glacier is the main source of water for which of the following Himalayan rivers? Option A Beas, option B Satluj, option C Shyok, option D Nubra. Friends, the correct answer for this is option D Nubra. Siachen Glacier is the main source of water for river Nubra, which is a tributary of river Indus. Question number 5. Which of the following is the largest lake in India? Option A Pangong Tso Lake, option B Pulicat Lake, option C Buller Lake, option D Vembanad Lake. Friends, the correct answer is option D Vembanad Lake. Vembanad Lake, which is in Kerala, is the largest lake in India. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a name of river Brahmaputra? Option A Meghna, it is called Meghna in India. Option B Sangpo, it is called Sangpo in Tibet. Option C Jamuna, it is called Jamuna in Bangladesh. Option D Padma. Option D Padma is wrong because Padma is called, river Ganga is called as Padma in Bangladesh. So option D is your answer. Padma is not a name of river Brahmaputra. Question number 7. Which is the largest river of peninsular India? Option A Godavari, option B Krishna, option C Mahanadi, option D Narmada. And the correct answer is option A Godavari. Now friends, you may think that we have done this question earlier. Why this question comes twice? But there is a difference between the two questions. The first one was which is the longest river of peninsular India. This is which is the largest river in the peninsular India. There is a big difference between these two questions. For example, if I ask which is the largest river of world, your answer will be Amazon. And when I ask which is the longest river of world, the answer will be River Nile. Okay, so there is difference between the largest and the longest. Longest comes when we take into the consideration the total length of the river, and largest comes when we take the volume of water contained by the river into the consideration. Okay. Next question. Question number 8. Alaknanda and Bhagirathi, the two tributaries of river Ganga, meet at option A Rudraprayag, option B Vishnuprayag, option C Karnaprayag, option D Devprayag. Friends, the correct answer for this is option B. Option D, Devprayag. Your correct answer will be option D, Devrayag. Question number 9. Which river is known as Sorrow of Bihar? Option A Kosi, option B Ganga, option C Damodar, option D Bhima. Friends, the correct answer is option A. Kosi is called as Sorrow of Bihar. Recently, a project has been launched on river Kosi which will tame it, and this title Sorrow of Bihar will vanish. Tell me in the comments box what is the name of that project. We have done it in the current affairs section. Question number 10. Which of the following is the largest freshwater lake in northeast India? Option A Pulicat, option B Chilika, option C Loktak, option D Dambur Lake. Friends, the correct answer is option C Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake is the largest freshwater lake in northeast India. Friends, Loktak Lake is famous for Phumdis. Phumdis are a series of floating islands exclusive in the Loktak Lake in the state of Manipur. For that reason, Loktak Lake is also known as floating lake. Also, it has Lamjau National Park, Kabul Lamjau National Park, which is the largest floating national park in the world and India's only floating national park. Okay. Question number 11th. Rihand Dam has been constructed on the tributary of which of the following rivers? Option A Chambal, option B Sovan, option C Yamuna, option D Periyar. Friends, Rihand Dam is located on the river Rihand, which is a tributary of river Son. So option B is your correct answer. The reservoir of Rihand Dam is called as Govind Sagar Dam. Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar Dam, which is located in Madhya Pradesh. Question number 12. Which river has Shiv Samudram falls in its course? Option A Krishna, option B Godavari, option C Kaveri, option D Mahanadi. Friends, the correct answer is option C Kaveri. Shiv Samudram falls come in the course of river Kaveri in Karnataka. Okay. Question number 13. River Indus originates from which of the following ranges? Option A Himalayan, option B Hindu Kush, option C Karakoram, option D Kailash. Friends, the Indus originates from the Bokarchu Glacier, which is in the northern slopes of Mount Kailash. So, the correct answer is option D. River Indus originates from the Kailash range. Okay. Question number 14th. Surat is situated on the banks of which river? Option A Tapti, option B Mahanadi, option C Godavari, option D Bhima. Friends, the correct answer is option A Tapti. Okay. Question number 15th. The sideways erosion that widens the river is called as option A lateral corrosion, option B vertical corrosion, option C side corrosion, option D mean corrosion. Friends, the correct answer is option A lateral corrosion. Lateral corrosion is the erosion that widens the river. Question number 16th. Which of the following rivers is called as Dakshin Ganga? Option A Godavari, option B Krishna, option C Kaveri, option D Mahanadi. Friends, the correct answer is option A Godavari. Godavari is called as Dakshin Ganga. Friends, the Godavari rises from the Trambakeshwar in the Nasik district of Maharashtra. Okay. The length of Godavari from origin to its outfall into the Bay of Bengal is 1465 kilometers. Okay. Now question number 17th. Which of the following rivers is called as Ganga of South India? The first one was Dakshin Ganga. This is Ganga of South India. ऑप्शन ए गोदावरी, ये नहीं लगा देना, ऑप्शन बी कृष्णा, ऑप्शन सी कावेरी, ऑप्शन डी महानदी। फ्रेंड्स, द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी कावेरी. Kaveri river is called as Ganga of South India. Friends, the Kaveri river rises at Talakaveri in the Brahmagiri range in the Western Ghats in the state of Karnataka. Okay. Question number 18th. World's highest rock-based dam, Tehri Dam, is on which of the following rivers? Option A Bhagirathi, option B Bilangana, option C Narmada, option D both A and B. Friends, the correct answer is option D, both A and B. Tehri Dam is on the junction of the rivers Tehri Dam, the rivers Bhagirathi and Bilangana. Okay, Tehri Dam is built on the junction of Bhagirathi and Bilangana river. Question number 19 is the match the following. On one side, they are given dams and falls, and on the other side, rivers are given. We have to match them correctly. Option A is Bhakra Nagal Dam. Bhakra Nagal Dam is on river Satluj. Friends, it is the largest hydroelectric multi-purpose project in India. It is also the highest gravity dam. Lake formed by it is also known as Govind Sagar, which is in Himachal Pradesh. Option B, Jog waterfalls. Jog waterfalls are on the river Sharavati. Okay. In Karnataka. Kunchikal Falls on the river Varahi. And the Hirakund Dam is on river Mahanadi. Hirakund Dam is on river Mahanadi in Odisha. Now question number 20, which is the last question of today's video. Option A is Sambar Lake. Sambar Lake is in Rajasthan. It is a famous wetland, a Ramsar site. Bhimtal is in Uttarakhand. Govind Sagar, as we discussed earlier, is in Himachal Pradesh. And Gandhi Sagar is in Madhya Pradesh. Sorry. Gandhi Sagar is in Madhya Pradesh. Gandhi Sagar is the artificial lake constructed due to Chambal project. Okay. So friends, that's it for today. If you want to see more of our videos, please click the links below given in the description box. Also, please do not forget to subscribe our channel, like and share this also, so that we will have a sort of motivation to continue this channel. Okay, so friends, that's it for today. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.